Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Nambada TV. I am your host Naveed Ahmed. I'm here today to dive deep into a pressing issue that's stirring up the world of trademarks and copyrights. The case of APNA's name and logo being used without proper authorization. Now, imagine you've built a brand from scratch. You've poured your heart, soul, and countless hours into creating a name and logo that resonates with your audience. But one day, you discover that someone else is using your brand's identity without your permission. Shocking, right? This is exactly what's happening with APNA. Their distinctive name and logo have been spotted being used illegally. So, what does this mean, legally speaking? Copyright and trademark laws are here to protect creative assets. When someone like APNA finds their intellectual property being used without consent, they have every right to enforce these laws. They can initiate legal actions which could lead to some serious consequences for the violators. But what kind of consequences are we talking about? Well, it can range from hefty fines and financial damages to, in severe cases, criminal charges. It sends a strong message. Respect for intellectual property isn't just a courtesy, it's a legal requirement. So why should this matter to us? Because intellectual property rights are fundamental to fostering creativity and innovation. They ensure that creators can benefit from their inventions and creations. Without these protections, there's little incentive for innovation, which could stifle creativity and development across various industries. In conclusion, APNA's battle isn't just about a name and a logo. It's about setting a precedent for the respect and protection of intellectual property worldwide. For anyone out there thinking of using someone else's trademark material, think again. The consequences are real and they can be quite severe. Thanks for tuning in. Stay informed and respect those creative rights. Till next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Added content. Let's delve a bit deeper into the specifics of what APNA is facing. When a brand's identity is misused, it can lead to a myriad of problems. Financially, the original brand can suffer significant losses. Customers might be misled, thinking they are purchasing from the authentic brand, only to receive subpar products or services. This not only affects sales, but can also tarnish the brand's reputation, which often takes years to build. Moreover, the marketing efforts and investments made by the original brand can be undermined, leading to a dilution of brand value. Legal battles, while necessary, can be lengthy and costly. They require resources that could otherwise be used for further innovation and growth. Loyal customers might feel betrayed or confused, leading to a loss of trust, which is paramount in any business relationship. The creative teams behind the brand might feel demoralized, seeing their hard work being exploited without due credit or compensation. Future plans and strategies of the brand can be jeopardized, as the focus shifts from growth to damage control. However, a legal victory can set a strong precedent, reinforcing the importance of respecting intellectual property rights. It can also rally the community and loyal customers around the brand, strengthening their support and loyalty. Once the legal issues are resolved, the brand can refocus on innovation and continue to thrive, knowing that their rights are protected. Remember, every brand has a unique journey from creation to success, and protecting that journey is crucial for sustained growth and innovation. So, let's all commit to respecting and upholding the principles of quality and authenticity in the world of business. Together, we can ensure a bright future for brands that work hard to make a difference. Thank you for joining us on this important discussion. Stay hopeful, stay resilient, and always support genuine creativity. Till next time, keep exploring and stay curious.